We're summoning the boiled one!
I'm saving up.
I'm just telling you how I
Why? There's two ramps! There's two ramps! Run! Run, ramps! Run! The boiled one! Oh! Dude!
Angel, let's spawn God.
Do Angel.
Let's find God! Let's find God!
I think we're gonna spawn God. Hey, let's spawn over here.
Let's find God in our... Let's find God and Angel!
Over here. We're gonna spawn Angel. The person that said Angel is the worst.
Everyone summon Angel. Guys, if he spawns, you gotta go.
Do you like this song?
Geometry dash about it.
Oh my
Go to God! Go to God! Go to God!
This is so crazy.
Summon God! Let's summon God! Go, go, go! Summon God! Summon God! Hurry up! Summon God! Hurry up! Hurry up, you little maggot! Let's summon it! Let's summon it! Come on, let's summon it!
Oh my goodness! We all
Let's summon God! Let's summon God! Let's summon God! God, let's summon God! Let's summon God!
Yo, the Guardian summon Easter Bunny.
Bunny, want to summon Easter Bunny? Easter Bunny. Bunny.
We done all of them. This is hell.
Everyone, the bunny. Everyone, let's go to the bunny.
I have to say that cool, because my name is obviously
What? What? Run! Go with him! God! God! Let's summon God! Let's summon God! There's no official phases! There's no official phases! Let's summon God! Let's summon God! Let's go to Dream Core, guys! Let's go to Dream Core!
No, we're not going to Dream Core.
Let's summon God! Let's summon God! Let's summon God!
Guys, where is everybody? Where is everybody?
No, let's summon God! No, let's do God!
Nobody wants to go to the bathroom.
Backrooms, please.
No. Shut up.
Let's go to God! Let's go to God! Come on, let's go to God! Let's go to God!
Dream Core!
Everyone go in, go in, go in.
We're going to Dream Core!
Come on. Easter bunny. Do not.
Go to office.
We can't. Look, we click it and nothing happens.
What do you want? City baby. City baby. Here, let us go. Epstein bunny.
God, I can't believe it.
We're going to. Don't get another cheated, bro.
Let's go to level you cheated!
Let's go to Dream Core. Let's go to Dream Core. No,
Bro, we're already
going to bathrooms, bro. We're going to bathrooms. Listen to your kid. Listen to your kid. Come on.
Come on, guys!
In here,
We're going to
guys, back
bathrooms over here, come on!
TV.
Come over here now.
TV, let's go, let's go!
Be careful, Mom.
You guys, bro, let's go to Dream Core. I got to
Backroom.
And then click.
Oh,
hey, I made it.
now we going to level fun.
No.
That was really scary.
It's not level fun, bro. Nothing is fun about like.
Let's go, guys. I saw the exit. I'm not barely loaded. Scary.
We're not in the way. What are you doing?
Trust us.
No, the right. You stay on the right side.
Guys, everybody's in Dream Core. I just died in Dream Core. I mean, everybody's in back a little. What time, Yo, guys, voilà les champignons dans le ciel.
Alexis, stay next to the right wall.
Oui, ben on part dans le
They're at office, they're at office!
Is that a cube? That's a cube! Guys, let's go Come on. I know the way,
I know the way. You supposed to stay on the right wall. It's right here, bro. Literally right here.
Can you wait for me? You get kicked if you fall. You go over here. Guys, I'm begging you. Okay. Please, you get kicked if you fall. No. Please,
y'all niggers.
please. I'm never check out. You guys want to jump to sleep?
Y'all like
left.
Yo, act like I know where I'm going.
Guys, you guys want to jump down? Wait, I'm not doing. Bro,
I ain't going in there, bro.
You're on me.
No, other way.
Hey, I'm not the best option.
Guys, last time I saw them, they jump down there. Go there. Wait, come here. Mushroom.
Guys, come on.
Come here. Yeah,
Okay, so 5% chance from 10 went up to 8.